In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight and label your data point. So the first thing I need to do is find my data point. My data point is going to be the one that has 7 on the x-axis and 86 on the y-axis. So I'm going to find the 7 on my x-axis, follow that up, and then hover over the data points on the 7s. So the first data point is in the 776 position. That's not my data point. The next data point is on the 786 position. So that's my data point. Then I'm going to double click on my data point. The first click is going to select all of the data. The second click is going to select just my data point. Once I've double clicked, I'm going to right click and I'm going to highlight my data point by using the fill option here. I'm going to change my data point so that it's orange. So once I've highlighted my data point, I'm going to double click on the dot again, then right click, add data label, and you'll see that my data label has shown up. Now I'm going to click on it a few times until it's selected and change the number that popped up to my name. Now you can see that I have highlighted and labeled my data point.